41. Find the mean and mode of the following data. 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 6, 12, 6, 3, 4. Letter A, 12. Letter B, 10. Letter C, 6. Letter D, 2. So the total count is 10, and sum of all the numbers 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6 plus 12 plus 6 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 60. So for the mean, here is the formula. Sum of the all numbers divided by total numbers of the items. So next, we're going to substitute this given to the given. Mean is equal to 60, which is the sum of the all numbers, and 10 for the total numbers of the items. So 60 divided by 10, it will give us 6. So the mean is 6. Number 6 is occurring for 3 times, therefore mode is 6. So our answer is letter C, 6. Number 42. If 500 or 25% of graduating students' class are girls, how many are graduating? Letter A, 900. Letter B, 2,000. Letter C, 1,500. Letter D, 2,350. Girls, which is 25%, or total graduating students, is equals to 500. Let X represent the total number of the graduating students. It will give us 25% of X is equals to 500. To solve for X, you can first convert 25% to a decimal by dividing by 100. So it will give us 0.25 because 25% is equals to 0.25. Now, the equation becomes 0.25x is equals to 500. To isolate x, divide both sides of the equation by 0.25. It will give us x is equals 500 divided by 0.25. So our x is equals to 2,000. So the answer is letter B, 2,000. Number 43. Gasoline tank contains 18 liters when it is 20% full. How many liters does it contain when 50% full? Letter A, 60. Letter B, 30. Letter C, 58. And letter D, 36. 18 divided by 20% equals to x divided by 50%. So, we have to do the cross multiplication in this case. So, 20 multiplied by x equals 50 multiplied to 18. So, it will give us 20x is equals to 900. For us to isolate x, we have to remove 20 by dividing both sides in 20. So it will give us x is equals 900 over 20. And x is equals to 45. So the answer is letter D, 45. Number 44. The greatest common divisor of 24, 18, and 3 is letter A, 6, letter B, 18, letter C, 24, or letter D, 3. Alright, so the greatest common divisor, or GCD, of 24, 18, and 3 is 3 because it's the largest number that evenly divides all of 3 of them. In other words, 3 is a common factor of 24, 18, and 3, and it's the greatest common, and it's the greatest among the common factors. So the answer is letter D, 3. Number 45. Which of the following is not the prime number? Letter A, 51. Letter B, 41. Letter C, 31. Letter D, 11. 51 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 1, 3, 13, and 51. So when we say prime numbers, it should only have two divisors, which are 1 and themselves. So the answer is letter A, 51. Number 46. Mr. Roy deposited 30,000 pesos in the bank at 5% simple interest per annum. How much is his money in the bank after 5 years? Letter A, 37,500. Letter B, 7,500. Letter C, 75,000. Letter D, 3,750. So for us to get the interest, here is our formula. Interest equals principal times rate times time. So all we have to do is to substitute for our given. So interest is equals to 30,000 pesos, which is the principal, times 5%, which is the rate, times 5, which is the time. So let's have to substitute, let's have to get the decimal point of 5%. 30,000 times 0.05 times 5. It will give us the answer 7,500 pesos. So that is our interest. So now, let's proceed to the amount in 5 years. So we have to get the total amount in 5 years. So, to get the total amount in 5 years, here is our formula. Interest plus principal. So our interest is 7,500 pesos plus our principal is 30,000 pesos. So 7,500 pesos plus 30,000 pesos is equal to 37,500 pesos. So our answer is letter A, which is 37,500 pesos. Number 47. Calculate f of negative 2 if f of x is equals to negative 2x plus 1. Letter A, 6. Letter B, 7. Letter C, 8. Letter D, 9. Evaluating functions. F of x is equals to negative 2x plus 1. We have to substitute x into negative x. So, f of negative 2 is equals negative 2. Substitute x, multiply by negative 2 plus 1. So, f of negative 2 is equals to negative 2 multiply negative 2. Since they have the same sign, negative times negative is equals to positive. So, it will give us positive 4, break down 1, plus 1, alright? So, f of negative 2 is equals 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So, our answer is letter D, which is 5. Alright, number 48. Find the area of trapezoid whose median and altitude have lengths 15 and 18 respectively. Letter A, 270. Letter B, 135. Letter C, 66. And letter D cannot be determined from the given information. For a trapezoid, median, which is m, is equals to 15, and altitude, which is height, is equals to 18. So the area of the trapezoid is equals to median multiplied by altitude. So area equals 15, the median multiplied by 18, the altitude. 15 times 18, it will give us the answer 270. So the area is 270. Letter A, 270. Number 49. 2 times a certain number added to 30 gives the same result as 3 times the same number subtracted from 90. What is the number? Letter A, 30. Letter B, 20. Letter C, 15. Or letter D, 12. Let x be the number. 2x plus 30 is equal to 19 minus 3x. We have to gather the same. We have to combine all the same given. So 2x plus 3x, because we transpose it to another side, so it will become positive 3x equals to 90 minus 30. So 2x plus 3x equals 50x equals 5x equals 90 minus 30 is equals to 60. So we have to divide both sides by 5 to cancel the 5 on x. So x equals 60 divided by 5. So 60 divided by 5 is 12. So x is 12. So the answer is letter D, 12. Number 50. A wooden plank has dimensions 2 feet by 1.5 feet by 6 inches. What is the volume in cubic inches? Letter A, 2,592 cubic inches. Letter B, 108 cubic inches. Letter C, 1.5 cubic inches. Letter D, 216 cubic inches. So we have to identify the dimensions. So we have length, which is 2 feet, the width, which is 1.5 feet, and the height, which is 6 inches. So we have to convert all dimensions to inches since we have to find the inches, alright? Since the required volume is in cubic inches. Recall that 1 foot is equals to 12 inches. So let us have length, which is 2 feet, multiplied by 12 inches is equal to 24 inches. And width, 1.5 feet multiplied by 12 inches equals to 18 inches. So height, same as itself, 6 inches. So calculate the volume using the formula for the rectangular prism, which is volume equals length times width times height. Substitute that 24 multiplied to width 18 multiplied to height, which is 6. It will give us the volume of the rectangular prism is 2,592 inches cubed. 2,592 cubic inches. So our answer is letter A, 2,592 cubic inches. Thank you!